Okay, so this is the kidney. This is for purposes of learning histology and studying picture 1 on page 47. It relates to the kidney glomerulus. A kidney is made up of an outer portion, which is a cortical region or cortex, and an inner group of medullary pyramids that you see here. Medullary pyramids are going to contain, if I blow one of these up and take that out and look at it here, this is one medullary pyramid with the cortex outside of the medulla. This is the outer surface of the kidney that you would see here. This would be covered in mesothelium or simple squamous epithelia. That is also referred to as the visceral peritoneum in the body cavity. Notice that in the cortical region here, or in this blown up portion of the cortex outside this single medullary pyramid, you have multiple circular objects here, and these circular objects are the filtering units called glomeruli or renal corpuscles. The glomeruli are capillary beds at the center, and if I take one of these circular objects here and blow it up, I'm looking here. This is the glomerulus. Under hydrostatic pressure from the heart, blood comes into this vessel. It pushes filtrate, overcomes osmotic resistant pressure, and the filtrate is pushed into this cup or Bowman's capsule that surrounds it. The Bowman's capsule is lined with a simple squamous epithelia, and so too is this blood vessel, which is the capillary bed. And so this is endothelium. Endothelium that we will be pushing filtrate through into the cup, that is Bowman's capsule, and then that filtrate, the components of the filtrate that we need back into the blood. Notice blood surrounds all of these tubules, and that's a tubule right there. Into that filtrate, the filtrate's going to move in here, and a lot of it will need back into the blood. And so the walls of Bowman's capsule, right here and here, are also squamous cells. And so this endothelium will be filtering. It pushes filtrate out into the cup, and from the cup back into the blood vessels surrounding the cup, we would have diffusion of filtrate occurring. That diffusion from the kidneys itself into the blood, that's called tubular reabsorption. Okay, if something moves from the blood vessel into the tube, then it's called tubular secretion. These types of cells, cuboidal cells that we see lining the areas, all the areas of the tubes, are going to be specialized for those two functions, mostly secretion, however. The cortex, the cortical region that we see here, is going to be the only location where filtration is occurring, and filtration will occur, send the filtrate into these longer tubules, and eventually the tubules will have reabsorbed all of the vital stuff that we want back, and end up sending through larger tubules eventually into the urinary bladder the filtrate with nitrogenous waste contained within it. Have a good day.